Dude, you suck. God damn it, did no one prep him? Do you keep dying in video games because your full-size keyboard keeps getting in the way?
I mean, yeah, but it's because I'm trash at the game and forget my keybinds. Alright, I need to just... That's it.
It's because of that keyboard. Now, would you like a smaller and more efficient keyboard?
Isn't that just 10 keyless?
Try smaller.
65% keyboard?
Smaller.
60%?
Smaller.
Okay.
Yes, sorry. Now, how would you like a fully customizable 15.6% keyboard?
Oh boy, would I?
Now, introducing the Elgato Gamepad.
But isn't that just a stream deck?
Dude, are you kidding me? We're trying to make an ad.
Shit, sorry.
Never forget your binds again with 15 fully customizable keys with changeable icons. Our money back guarantee is that you'll never get in the way of your aim again with a 15.6% form factor. Using the Elgato Gamepad while playing Sage like a team player, you'll never forget what your bitch warbind is.
Nice.
Dude, why are you insta-locking Jet? You're a bottom fragging bitch. Never insta-lock Jet again. Playing League of Legends and forgetting your Yi. Dude, you know Yi's been out of the meta for like 2 years, right?
He's the only champion I know how to play.
Okay, sure. Well, here are your Yi abilities at your fingertips.
Nice.
Now, because of the Elgato Gamepad, you can even become the best Bed Wars player in the world.
Nice.
Knowing your build binds has never been this easy with the Elgato Gamepad, even working with this horrible kids game.
Nice. Now with Elgato's 15.6% keyboard, you'll never get in the way of your mouse or forget your keybinds again. This is why no one likes you. Shut up. Grab your Elgato 15.6% gaming keyboard in the link in my description below. Not you, because you'll always be shit.
Buy yours now. Please, I'm desperate. Dude, I bought 200 of these off the back of someone's truck. My wife said don't, but I did it anyway. Now I can't feed my kids. Wait, you told me you didn't have any kids. Or a wife. Oh, shut up.